In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete and remove an email in Gmail. We'll go through the steps together to ensure that you know exactly how to manage your Gmail inbox efficiently and keep it clutter-free. Whether you're trying to declutter your inbox or just need to remove an email permanently, this guide will walk you through every detail. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing gmail.com into your address bar. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, you'll see a list of all your emails. Find the email that you want to delete. You can do this by scrolling through your inbox or using the search bar at the top to find it by subject, sender, or any keyword that may be in the email. When you've located the email you want to delete, click on the checkbox next to the email. This prepares the email for deletion. Don't worry if you accidentally select the wrong message. You can always deselect it by clicking the checkbox again. Now, head over to the trash icon located at the top of your inbox. Click on this trash icon, and your selected email will be moved to the trash folder. Now, it's important to understand what happens next. Emails that are moved to the trash aren't immediately permanently deleted. They typically stay in the trash for 30 days. However, if you want to delete this email sooner, click on the trash folder in the left panel of your Gmail screen. Once you're in the trash folder, locate the email again. Click the checkbox next to it and then click on Delete Forever, which you'll see at the top, just above your email list. And there you have it. The email is now permanently deleted. It won't be retrievable, so make sure you actually want it gone before you click on Delete Forever. An important tip is to regularly check your trash and spam folders. By keeping these folders empty, you ensure that no unwanted emails are taking up your storage space. Additionally, this practice makes sure that sensitive information isn't accidentally accessible if someone else gains access to your Gmail account. That's it for today's tutorial on how to permanently delete and remove an email in Gmail. Please remember that permanently deleting emails is irreversible. Make sure to double-check any important messages before deleting them forever. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you manage your digital life with ease. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.